In the following lectures, we will guide you through the installation and setup of VirtualBox and Ubuntu, a popular Linux distribution. This will create a virtual environment for developing C# applications, all without affecting your main operating system. Download and install VirtualBox, which allows you to create and manage virtual machines on your system. Set up VirtualBox to run a virtualized version of Ubuntu. Download the Ubuntu ISO image. Create a new virtual machine in VirtualBox and install Ubuntu using the downloaded ISO image. After installation, we'll go over basic configurations and settings to prepare Ubuntu for development. This includes installing essential tools such as the .NET SDK and Visual Studio Code.